All these features, I know Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates will appreciate, so let's see what he has for us today.
Absolutely.
Once we've decided what's the best way to protect your home and your family with the right hurricane impact glass, we like to look at the different types of options that are available as it relates to making your home more energy efficient, if that's something that was important to us. And a big misconception that most homeowners have when we have the opportunity to meet with them is they feel that hurricane impact glass by itself, because it's so much thicker than the glass they currently have in their home and there's an inner layer in between, provides them energy efficiency. So we really want to walk them through to see if that's actually the case, and if not, let's determine how we can make the home more energy efficient so we can save a lot of money on our energy bills. So one of the first things we have to understand is, what we have here, this little science project we have here. And this is a heat lamp, and it's our way to demonstrate the effects of the Florida sunlight, especially in June and July in the summertime here in South Florida. And then we like to show people the effects it has on their current window that they have installed in their home currently. This is just a piece of regular single pane piece of glass, which is commonly seen in homes all over South Florida. It's not hurricane protection, it's what's currently in the home now. It really doesn't save much money on our energy bill and doesn't do anything to really stop the heat. So most folks want to do something to change this. This is a piece of Dade County approved impact glass. It'll protect you from a hurricane, but let's see how much it'll do, if anything, how much difference it'll make in making our home more comfortable and saving us money on our energy bills. As we can see, the heat still passes through the impact glass, causing the radiometer to spin. This glass is our Solar Max technology. It's a piece of hurricane impact glass with argon gas in between, with the Solar Max reflective glass on the exterior to reflect all the heat away from the interior of the home. As you can see, the radiometer is not moving at all. No heat is getting through the glass. We can still enjoy our views. We're protected really well from the hurricane storms, the hurricane impact glass, and we made the home a lot more energy efficient, saving a lot of money on our energy bills. Not only is this a great product to protect you from a hurricane, but it's going to save you a lot of money on your energy bills, making your home a lot more comfortable this summer and for many summers to come. Back to you, Martin.
Thank you, Tat. So before we mentioned there would be a surprise,